Sloth script for fun animals for kids. Sloth, the incredible masters of slow motion in the animal world. These remarkable creatures can rotate their heads nearly 180 degrees like owls, possess extraordinarily strong arms that can pull their entire body weight with just one limb, and have specialized digestive systems allowing them to survive on a diet that would poison most animals. Sloths are among the slowest mammals on Earth, moving at a pace of only about 40 yards per day. That's slower than most insects. This superpower of slowness actually helps these amazing animals stay hidden from predators in the dense rainforests where they live, making them perfect subjects for kids learning about survival adaptations in nature. Despite their sleepy appearance, sloths have amazing swimming abilities. When they drop into water, these tree-dwelling masters can hold their breath for up to 40 minutes and paddle along using their long arms at speeds 3 times faster than they move on land. Their specialized fur grows in the opposite direction of most mammals, flowing from belly to back, creating a living ecosystem where algae, moths, beetles, and even cockroaches make their homes. The secret world of sloths is filled with surprising abilities for kids to discover. Their body temperature ranges between 74 and 92 degrees Fahrenheit, much lower than most mammals. This slow metabolism means sloths only need to climb down from their trees once a week to relieve themselves. A dangerous journey that shows how these animals have evolved perfect patience as their ultimate survival skill. Sloths make their homes in the lush, vibrant rainforests of Central and South America, where the dense canopy provides both safety and food. These magnificent forests buzz with life and color, creating the perfect playground for sloths to hang upside down from branches using their specialized curved claws that lock into place, allowing them to sleep for up to 20 hours daily without falling. The evolutionary journey of sloths is fascinating for kids learning about animal history. Modern sloths descended from giant ground sloths that could reach the size of elephants. These ancient relatives roamed the earth for millions of years before becoming extinct about 10,000 years ago, leaving behind their smaller tree-dwelling cousins that we see in educational videos today. Sloths communicate through subtle facial expressions and quiet vocalizations that sound like gentle whistles or squeaks. Mother sloths form incredible bonds with their babies, carrying them on their bellies for the first year of life while teaching them which leaves are safe to eat and how to move carefully through the treetops. A perfect example of animal family life for kids to understand. The ecological importance of sloths cannot be overstated. As they slowly digest leaves, they help disperse seeds throughout the forest, contributing to plant diversity. The algae growing on their fur also creates a unique mini ecosystem that scientists are studying to discover new medicines, making sloths trending subjects in scientific research for kids interested in nature. On YouTube channels like Fun Animals for Kids, viewers can learn how these funny creatures face threats from habitat loss and poaching. Conservation efforts are helping protect sloths in the wild, where they play vital roles in maintaining healthy forest ecosystems through their seed dispersal and their position in the food web. So remember, young explorers, every time you watch a video about these amazing animals, you're learning about one of nature's most unique and wonderful creatures. Keep exploring the wild animals of our world through more educational content on our channel. Subscribe to Fun Animals for Kids for more fun adventures into the animal kingdom.